We're here at our next project, and this is a kitchen
transformation.
Yes.
It is a kitchen transformation. We love transforming kitchens. We've done so many different styles and sizes and all those kinds of things. So someone very special to the Three Birds family, Lisa, our head of construction. This is her kitchen. And we are coming in and we are going to give this a beautiful, basically cosmetic renovation. So where are we going to start with this one?
Well, I think, as you said, Lisa loves the layout.
Yes.
She loves where the sink is. They love to entertain, so it's a good island bench here. But this wall, it's just kind of blocking the kitchen
I think
as well.
at a minimum, we'll get rid of the wall.
Yes.
I know that one has been on the cards.
But I'm intrigued to see whether this is a structural wall, because otherwise, why would you have it? But I think the biggest thing is these cupboard doors.
Yeah.
They're in fantastic condition.
Yeah.
And we're going to use the Dulux Renovation Range in here.
Yeah.
And it's going to really transform these
I think
kitchen
that's the key
cabinets.
thing.
Absolutely.
Where if you're doing a cosmetic renovation, where you can, you want to keep those cupboards, you want to keep the joinery, and that is what we're going to do as much as we can here. Maybe we'll have a little chat to Lisa and see what she thinks.
I think that's the best idea.
So, hi Lee. Hello, welcome to your kitchen.
I'm so excited to have you guys here in my
I know in your
humble
space. I mean, Lisa's normally in everyone else's spaces, making them look beautiful, but we're here in your space, so it's extra special for us. Now, tell me about, you haven't been in this property long.
No.
Tell me about your kitchen now. What do you love about it now?
Okay, well I haven't, as I said, we haven't been
Yeah.
here long. Functionally, the layout really works for me.
Yes.
Everything's sort of in the right zone, dishwasher, sink,
Yep.
cooktop. I like it the way it is. I just really hate the colour. I feel
Yes,
it's really dark
yes.
and drains the space. It's a gorgeous sunny day today, but
Yeah.
on a wintry day, it feels very cold. It's out
Yeah.
of step with the coastal feel.
This?
glorious laminate.
Yeah.
Look, it might have been a vibe at the time, but
It would have been in
and
its
it's quite
day.
worn now. It's obviously served its purpose, so
Yeah.
I really don't love that.
My big question to you is, the first thing Courtney and I were thinking was this wall. Is this cosmetic? Is this structural?
Believe it or not, this is actually just a design feature. It's not structural.
Okay.
What I find is it blocks light, but it also
Of course.
makes me feel disconnected when I've got guests here, and Luke and
Yeah.
I entertain and cook a lot,
Yeah.
and so I'm kind of ducking around the wall.
All right, well, I think we'll be just straight through the middle of that.
Absolutely love that. The other thing I've always coveted, and I
Yeah.
know we're trying to work to a budget
We
here,
are.
but I would love an integrated fridge.
Oh, yes.
She just sticks out like
She
a
does
nice
stick
little-
out. Okay, so we've got colour, we've got some new bench tops, we've got a wall that we'd like to remove because we don't need it. We've got an integrated fridge, and we'll bring our design crew in and we'll make this transformation happen.
We're here with Bruno,
Lisa's kitchen.
Lisa's kitchen, and I'm getting excited about this one now.
The biggest game changer
Yes.
that's going to excite everybody, and especially Lisa who's living here, is we're knocking down this wall.
This wall.
What are you here for? We're going to be able to cut it back to where the
Bench
island is
finishes?
here.
Yep.
And also back here.
Okay.
And then we'll just put on top of new stone over the top of it. So
Oh,
it will
over
still
the
act
top
as
of
a
pre-existing cabinetry. So I think that's the key here, is that all of these carcasses underneath are all remaining. The doors are all remaining, but
All
we
staying.
are actually using the Dulux Renovation Range to paint such doors. I really need to get rid of this stick, don't I? Paint these doors, but then we're not just doing that. We are also adding a little bit of detail, which is awesome. The process of painting the doors, I'm not going to run through because I'll get it wrong, but
there's
an
definitely a
absolute-
primer
yeah.
involved. We
Yes.
don't just go slap happy straight onto the
Yeah.
cabinetry, but let's just have a go anyway.
That's nice.
Okay.
I mean, we always know that still is a winner anywhere. It's still a gorgeous, soft, pale green. It's not in your face,
Yes.
but it gives you enough that it's different. It's not white. It's
got depth to it. It's not lolly.
really lovely. I mean,
And that's just one coat and we're in
that's
love.
just one coat. Look at that. That's nice. Imagine that with a trim on it. It's all painted over, and we've got a different, not this handle, but a different handle. Transforms the kitchen.
Transforms.
Well, this is going to look cool.
Cool.
I'm
Lisa
excited.
likes it.
Yeah. Fingers crossed. And a dog.
Now you've told me it's not structural.
Definitely not structural. I had a look myself.
Okay, you've been up into the ceiling.
Yes, have been
and
there.
ready to go.
Yeah, I feel like you should have the first swing though.
Oh my God, Shan.
Bit of glass in.
Oh,
to
safety
be in.
first. Are we ready? Oh my God. I'm actually stuck in the wall, Shan.
That's all right. Here we go.
Oh, wow. Oh, the wall's gone. Now, I'm on site today and I'm here for an exciting update. I haven't seen this wall's gone. Now, this was a big talking point for the girls. They wanted it gone. Lisa wanted a huge amount of light in, and there is some more light. We've added a skylight. Now, this is one of the beauties about renovating, that when this ceiling came down, they were replacing it to do this bulkhead. They had an opportunity to put a skylight in, and it is fantastic. It lets so much light into this kitchen, and that was a really big thing for Lisa. So I'm sure she's going to be happy with this. Now, originally we had this wall going down to bench height, but what we've decided to do is take it all the way to the floor. We've got a couple of extra boards for the flooring that are going to go in instead. And we're going to have an end panel of this joinery that'll continue round all the way to the front. We might pop some trims on there. We're just going to see how it balances with the trims on the doors of the cabinetry. And then we'll have a beautiful stone bench top from Caesar stone that's going to have a curved section on the end that'll round off that really nicely. If you're looking for a cost-effective transformation of your kitchen, painting your cabinets is a really simple process with the Dulux Renovation Range. It's a two-step process: primer, top coat. Covering over dark cupboards to a very light colour has worked perfectly.
Gosh, Lise, the transformation of your kitchen, it has blown me away because we haven't changed the layout, we haven't changed the footprint.
Correct. And can you believe we're standing in the
I
same
know,
space?
I know. We took out the wall here. It's just opened up the whole space, and what we've got in here is a kitchen that, yeah, no layout change, no appliance location change. It's purely cosmetic. So with this transformation, we had obviously a budget set and we had to pick our areas where we were splurging and where we were saving. The biggest one for me is we decided to spend and splurge on custom joinery. But then we decided to save by keeping all of the joinery along here and painting it.
I know.
Like,
and
it's
isn't it incredible? Because you can't see the difference between the colour.
They're absolutely matching. So you know this is one of my favourites. This
Yes.
is Still by Dulux.
It is.
We use this colour in my house. It is very close to my heart. But I love how we were able to match the cupboards, and it's the power of paint because you've got new, you've got old, you tie them together and nobody could tell. So we had a few must-haves in this space before we got underway. So removing the wall was number one.
Absolutely. So the
Game
room was
changer.
very dark, I think you can remember. It was
Yeah.
dark, it felt very small. Absolute game changer.
The skylight.
That's
That was the
number
second
two,
one. I mean,
yeah.
that's not transforming the kitchen, but it's certainly transforming the space.
There's
Or any
just
space.
natural light flooding through here now.
Yeah.
And it already feels like a bigger space.
So you wanted the integrated fridge with the French doors.
Yeah, I know
And
that
that-
was a design challenge.
That's
and-
okay, that's okay. Well, that was the driving force behind having to custom this joinery here.
Absolutely.
So we've got the beautiful Artusi fridge here. Now, can I have a look inside your fridge?
Please.
Oh, look at that. I love a French door fridge. I mean, great entertaining fridge.
Oh, it's amazing. We entertain all the time, and it's actually huge.
So keeping the oven, or I should call it ovens,
Ovens
now plural,
now.
in the same position was really important as well. So I love the ones you pick, Lise. These beautiful, it's a full gore Milano double oven. I think the top one's
These
a
are
bit
stunning.
Is that like a microwave oven, does everything?
It is. It's a microwave and a conventional oven, so it's just going to be brilliant.
And then the matching cooktop. So
matching,
look,
and
yeah.
we went from electric to an induction, and that was really important. Remember that cooktop was shoved way over to the left to get it
Yeah.
away from the panel, so we were able to resolve that with induction.
The beautiful Reese tap here is a real hero. It's
Wasn't
got the
it?
whole
So,
limelight to itself. Now, Lise, I know one of the biggest splurges you had in this kitchen was actually the bench top. And it's
Yeah.
incredible. It's like the icing on the top.
Absolutely. I have an old laminate bench top,
Yes.
which you might recall, and this Caesar stone Sidara bench top. The stone actually feels like a beautiful piece of art now.
Oh, it does.
in
Look at the
kitchen.
detail. But I mean, speaking of art, look at that amazing artwork you have in your kitchen. I love it.
Just is a stunning piece, and it's so
That's
me.
you.
I know.
I think
it's
that's
literally
you.
me.
No, it's so fitting to your space with the colours and the hues.
And the beach shack.
But for you, Lise, personally. So, Lise, I bet you can't wait to entertain in this kitchen space. The transformation's been incredible.
Oh, it is incredible. It doesn't feel like the same space, and I definitely want to crack open some champagne
Oh,
with
let's
you.
do that.